Meanwhile, let's talk about the opposition. Just before the election results are announced, here is what they are up to. In a post on X on the 1st of June, Congress's Jairam Ramesh had claimed that the outgoing Home Minister has been calling DMs and collectors just before counting day. He called it as a blatant and brazen intimidation, showing how desperate the BJP is. After being served EC notice, he repeated his intimidation tactic claim.
हमारे निवर्तमान प्रधानमंत्री और निवर्तमान गृह मंत्री ये सब मनोवैज्ञानिक खेल खेल रहे हैं, दबाव डाल रहे हैं सभी विपक्ष की पार्टियों के ऊपर, चुनाव आयोग के ऊपर, काउंटिंग एजेंट के ऊपर, रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर के ऊपर, और धमकी दिया जा रहा है। एक माहौल पैदा किया जा रहा है। इंडिया जनबंधन पार्टियों की ओर से एक डेलीगेशन चुनाव आयोग से मिलने वाला है। कुछ मुद्दे हैं, महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दे हैं काउंटिंग दिवस को लेकर, उस पर बातचीत होगी और जो हमारी मांगे हैं चुनाव आयोग के सामने हम रखेंगे।
So if it's called them, then it has to be inquired. If it is true, then it is a very great threat to democracy.
Now, in a war of words that is raging on between the Congress and the company and also the BJP over these allegations, while some in the BJP have cited Jairam Ramesh's apology to Ajit Doval in a defamation case 4 years ago to say that he has a habit of making such outlandish statements and then apologizing later. Others say that it is nothing but creating grounds for excuses ahead of the impending poll loss. Congress ally Akhilesh Yadav, though, repeated Jairam Ramesh's claim and said the exit poll data is based on DMs and not on EVMs, indirectly hinting at poll rigging. But he was swiftly countered by the candidate against him in Kannauj, which is Subrat Pathak.
Jairam Ramesh questioning the Election Commission is questioning the prosperity of our flourishing democracy. Obviously, the Congress party are left with no arguments, and that's why they get into this character assassination of the Prime Minister, questioning of the Election Commission, talking about EVMs, talking about exit polls. I would only want to say ki jo jeeta wohi Sikandar, accept it with grace and do understand that history has been created by Prime Minister Modi because of his honest, hard-working, transparent ways.
Well, we have Shivani joining us right now. Good morning, Shivani. How do we understand these claims? Even if they are substantive enough, then there should be something that Jairam Ramesh should keep forward. This is what the BJP has been demanding. Rather, the Election Commission of India has also asked for it.
Amita, Jairam Ramesh had put allegations onto the Home Minister, Amit Shah. He had said that he had been calling the DMs of 150 places to affect the electoral process, and onto this the Election Commission had served a notice to Jairam Ramesh. The Election Commission had asked for a reply from Jairam Ramesh till 2nd of June 7 p.m. and so far what we know is that Jairam Ramesh has not submitted his reply. A detailed reply had to be submitted by Jairam Ramesh to the Election Commission of India onto the allegations that he's been making, and in we must also understand the other developments where the Congress delegation had gone yesterday to meet the ECI, and thereafter Nirmala Sitharaman, Piyush Goyal and other leaders from the BJP had also met the ECI, and they had said that these allegations that are coming in, they are a part of a toolkit that try to undermine the electoral process in India. It should not be done. If any allegation is being made, we must ask for the details, and that's what the Election Commission had done in a detailed letter, a notice that was served to Jairam Ramesh, but Jairam Ramesh has not yet filed his reply.
Well, we listened into him just now as far as Jairam Ramesh is concerned, because he has been claiming that there is a certain attempt being done by the BJP when it comes to calling up DMs and collectors, and this is just before the counting day in a bid to intimidate.
हमारे निवर्तमान प्रधानमंत्री और निवर्तमान गृह मंत्री ये सब मनोवैज्ञानिक खेल खेल रहे हैं, दबाव डाल रहे हैं सभी विपक्ष की पार्टियों के ऊपर, चुनाव आयोग के ऊपर, काउंटिंग एजेंट के ऊपर, रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर के ऊपर, और धमकी दिया जा रहा है। एक माहौल पैदा किया जा रहा है। इंडिया जनबंधन पार्टियों की ओर से एक डेलीगेशन चुनाव आयोग से मिलने वाला है। कुछ मुद्दे हैं, महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दे हैं काउंटिंग दिवस को लेकर, उस पर बातचीत होगी और जो हमारी मांगे हैं चुनाव आयोग के सामने हम रखेंगे।